This video demonstrates the operation and correct use of varying control devices. Operating a hand transmitter. Press and release the coded button to activate the door. Press and release to stop. Pressing and releasing once more will cause the door to run in the opposite direction. Correct use of the wall control. Press and release the gray panel to operate the door. Press and release again to stop the opener. Pressing a third time will cause the opener to run in the opposite direction. How to use a remote keypad to open a door. After lifting the front panel, key in the preset security code. Now press the button which has been coded in to open the door. Thanks for watching. Automatic technology. Smart, simple, secure.